Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to back up your OneDrive on your local PC. Start with locating your OneDrive. It's down here in the task list and you have to open the symbol with the two blue skies. Click on it, you see this folder and you can click on that to locate your local OneDrive. This is all the files that you have synchronized to the online cloud. If you want to make a backup of your pictures, your music or videos, then start making a new folder on your desktop and naming it OneDrive Backup or something completely different. Now you open this folder and the other folder with your OneDrive and copy all the files that you want to make a backup of and drag and drop them into your new folder.